So John John is running around the house, whining, going nuts because Delaney is wearing a bucket hat. And he only ever wears this bucket hat when we go to the lake for extra sun protection, but he got a haircut the other day and he got sunburn on his ears, so he's been wearing it. And so John John thinks we've been going to the lake all day and he's been freaking out. And so I told him that we can make dog cookies instead, right? Yes, I did. I said it. We could make dog cookies, yeah. So we are making our pumpkin peanut butter dog cookies today. And I know your dog is going to love them as much as John John does. Are you gonna help me? Okay, probably not. I'm probably gonna be chilling while I make them. Okay. The first step to make these pumpkin peanut butter dog cookies is preheating the oven to 375 degrees. This recipe for pumpkin peanut butter dog cookies is so easy. You guys only need a few simple ingredients. So we're using organic all-purpose flour, and I have 142 grams of all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon of baking soda in this bowl. We're gonna add this to our stand mixer. Next, we have 71 grams of organic rolled oats, and these are just like the same rolled oats that you would buy for you if you guys are making oatmeal cookies. Next, we're just gonna mix this on low just for a couple rotations just to combine the dry ingredients. Next, we have 170 grams of peanut butter. And I would give some of this to John John right now, but he's outside running around the deck like a crazy person looking for my husband because he wants to go paddleboarding. And he sees me. Oh, now you want to help. You're going to help me now? What a sweetheart. Next, we're going to add in 85 grams of raw honey. I like to weigh this right into the mixing bowl on a scale because honey is so sticky. That way you get the right amount and it's just so much easier. Honey is a great sweetener for dogs because it has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, and it makes these cookies naturally sweet and your dog will love it. Okay, you can have a little bit more peanut butter. Next, we're adding in 1 large egg. And then last, we're gonna add in 57 grams of organic pumpkin puree. The pumpkin puree is gonna make these dog cookies incredibly soft and chewy. If you guys have an older dog or a senior dog, then you're really gonna love these cookies because it's gonna be really easy for them to eat. I used to make these all the time for my older pug when he couldn't have as many like crunchy or hard biscuits, and he absolutely loved them. And John John loves crunchy cookies, but he loves these too, of course. Now we're just gonna mix this on low until combined into a stiff cookie dough. You guys are gonna need 2 baking sheets lined with parchment paper. Now we're just gonna roll this cookie dough with our hands and form it into little round discs, just like this. These dog cookies aren't gonna spread out very much in the oven, so the size you make them now is kind of the size they're gonna stay. And we're gonna get about 24 cookies out of this batch. We're gonna get 12 per tray. And now you guys can make these smaller, you can even make them bigger if you want. You could even roll them out with a rolling pin and cut them out with cookie cutters. But if you know me, then you know I'm terrible at cookie cutters, and so I just roll these with my hands. Now it's time to bake these at 375 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes or until they're lightly golden brown around the edges. And once these late constellation cookies are baked, hopefully John John will be happy. So, John John, what do you think? Lake constellation cookies? You'll take them. We have a happy pug again. Lake constellation cookies work. Do you want to tell him what to do, or should I? Okay, you're busy. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more dog recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us next time in the kitchen.